Today we know that DNA is the genetic material. But in the earlier days, the scientists, they were not aware that DNA is the genetic material. They had confusion between three things, whether protein, DNA or RNA. A number of experiments were carried out at that time to know which is exactly the genetic material. And one of the efforts during that time was transforming principle. This experiment was conducted by Frederick Griffith. Frederick Griffith. That's why this experiment is also called as Griffith's experiment. Okay. What he did and what was the experiment? Let me explain you in short. See, the disease pneumonia comes by a bacterium called as Streptococcus pneumoniae. Streptococcus pneumoniae. Okay, so this bacterium or this bacteria causes pneumonia. When these bacteria were grown, they produce two types of colonies, smooth and the rough. Smooth and rough. Smooth because of a polysaccharide, a carbohydrate around them. Okay, and smooth is virulent. Virulent means smooth strain. Smooth strain. In short form, you can call S strain. Only S strain can cause pneumonia. S strain of this bacteria can cause pneumonia, whereas R strain will not cause pneumonia. So he conducted experiment like this. First he took a mice. Injected R strain into that. And you know that when R strain is injected, it will not cause pneumonia. So mice did not die. So the mice lived. One experiment. There is nothing great in that because he had injected R strain. And R strain will not cause pneumonia, so the mice will not die. Now another experiment. He took mice and introduced the S strain. S strain causes pneumonia and definitely mice will die because of pneumonia. So when S strain was injected, the mice died. Okay. Again, no surprise in that. Third experiment. He took mice and this time he took S strain which causes death or which causes pneumonia and then death. He took heat killed S strain. Heat killed S strain means he made that S strain weak, heat killed. And as a result, mice did not get the disease and mice lived. Again, no surprise in that. In the first case, R strain, which can cause pneumonia, which will not cause pneumonia, so mice will not die, it lives. In the second strain, S strain, which causes pneumonia, so the mice will die. In the third case, it is heat killed S strain, so again mice will not die. In the fourth experiment, he took those where the mice did not die, R strain, as well as he took heat killed S strain. So what should happen now? R strain will not kill the mice. Heat killed S strain will also not kill the mice. But this time the mice died, and this was very surprising. How is that possible? How mice can die? Actually, mice can die only if it is a strain. But here you have taken heat killed a strain. So what would have happened? Griffith gave an information on this. He gave his theory. What is that? According to him, there is something in heat killed a strain that changed R strain to a strain, that transformed R strain to a strain, and when it becomes a strain, definitely mice will get affected by the pneumonia, and the mice will die. Means he introduced the concept of transforming principle. There is something that transforms R strain into S strain, and that must be the genetic material he named, and this was the first systematic attempt to suggest that there is something which acts as genetic material.